young woman named Mary who lived in a little town of Nazareth. One day, an angel appeared to her. His name was Gabriel. "Greetings, Mary," the angel said. "I have wonderful news for you. God has a very important job for you." Mary was amazed and a bit frightened. "You're going to have a baby," said the angel. "You must call him Jesus." Mary could hardly believe what she was hearing. "With God, nothing is impossible," said the angel. Mary overflowed with happiness. "I will do whatever God wants. Let it be according to his will." Mary loved the village carpenter, a man named Joseph. He was a kind and good man. Soon after the angel's visit with Mary, Joseph had a dream. In the dream, an angel told him, "Joseph, you need to look